Hello again, I'm the developer for Space Corp Tycoon. What I'm going to do today is show you a little bit more of the latest version, as a few people have asked how it's coming along and what the progress is for the whole project. So we're going to click on New Game and we're going to go through the process of what's completed and what is not. So first of all, we're going to add our name for my commander, which is Wayland Utani, and the corporation name is Wayland Corp. Right, the specializations are all in. These are the basic perks at the beginning of the game. So you have the agricultural, industrial, banking, and technology. Each one of these, when fully implemented, will give you a bonus. As of yet, it is just the infrastructure on the UI. This area here, where we were selecting photos, now works as intended. In the earlier version, it was buggy and was selecting the wrong images. We've corrected all of that, and this page is ready to go. Right, this is the main corp screen. In this update, we have the infrastructure all laid in for the colony selection screen. So you can change your galaxies now. This will only display the locations and colonies that you have, so it won't display anything other than that. So for this instance, you only have the home solar system, and in home solar system we only have Earth. It then displays the information there. We also have the manage colony screen. This is what's coming in the next update and has been the main focus, so we'll go there now. Now it's only got some basic information on because I've had a few issues with parts on it and I need to wait on the artist. Anyway, we'll get into the depth of this. What we do have is the happiness and the crime area. This will contain an image, the growth rates for the population, max population, current population. You'll be able to set your tax here and upgrade your farming levels in your industry here. It's very basic in this update. The next update will completely correct this, as well as a few other design mistakes that are currently being worked on, like a back button. So I'll just have to open that up again. Right, the other thing that has been completely fixed in this update is the character screen. As you can see, we now have skill names, and each one is selectable, and we can change to attributes. Attributes have not been done yet, and these also don't display information yet, but that will be coming in a further update. We also have the displaying of the names and your ranks and levels, all the infrastructures all done and ready. We also added the message screen in the next update, which is this screen here. This will contain the image of who you are talking to or who has sent you the message. You have the 3 tabs at the top. You have the general, the story missions, and the side missions tab. This will just log system messages as well as various other gameplay related stuff. Funny enough, the thing that took the longest with this is this slide bar here. Just making it individual to every tab was not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but in the end it was figured out, and that is what is coming in the next update. I do plan on doing the manage colony screen in the update after this and making sure that works perfectly. Then we will move on to the exploration, the research tabs, the land fleet, space fleet, manage fleet, you know, all of that other stuff. But we have to get the basics down first, which is the colony management and the UI infrastructure. I also just want to tell you a little bit more about the 12-step plan if you haven't read the discussion yet on the forum, which is a 12-step program to get us ready for early access. I do plan on at least 8 to 10 updates which will be infrastructure related, with hopefully every update adding a new UI screen to the game. This particular update adds the 2 new screens instead of the usual one, and I hope to just carry on building up on that, eventually culminating in the last 2 or 3 updates fixing all of the bugs and starting on the first of the gameplay. Um, I'm not exactly sure how long this is going to take, but I'm slotting 2 weeks for every update. Uh, this one, for instance, is going to be a pretty meaty update because I've been pretty far ahead. Since I've been doing the PR, I've been on the computer more and I've been tweaking bits here and there, and I have done a hell of a lot more work than I usually do. Um, but I will get out the updates as fast as possible, and I hope you like what we have done so far. Thank you for watching.